absorbing what is happening is much more. So I don't think all of that, but like a spectator, my heart rate goes up. And the one thing I've realized is, one, I'm actually playing on the field, my heart rate is more controlled. But when I'm outside watching the game, it actually behaves like a fan. Okay, I may read the game better, but the heart rate is, it's going through the roof. Yeah. Maybe it's simple that, you know, I want a certain result, and the result is like you want to win every time. So because we want that result, that the heart rate goes through the roof. When I'm in Ranchi, the schedule is quite fixed in the sense I'll get up slightly late because I sleep late. I get up slightly late, have my breakfast, then straight away go to the stadium, do my gym or whatever I want to do, then come back, spend some time with the family, play with the pets, and evening, if I feel like, I'll go again to the stadium, play a bit of badminton or tennis, some of the other sports. And in between, we have a farming area, so on and off, I go over there. So it's quite regimented in the sense it's almost the same schedule every day. So it is quite boring. But other than that, I have not been doing much. They don't trust the bowler because their expression is the same. आउट है ले लो एकदम खत्म है, मतलब बैट्समैन को वापस जाना ही, एंड देन यू रियलाइज इट वाज नॉट इवन क्लोज. लास्ट ईयर की अगर आप बात करो तो T20 का टीम अनाउंस होना था वर्ल्ड कप का. सो यू हैव टू गिव पीपल अ चांस हु आर फाइटिंग फॉर दैट स्पॉट. हमारे टीम में वी हैड अ फ्यू, जडेजा वाज देयर, शिवम दुबे वाज देयर. सो अनलेस यू गिव देम अपॉर्चुनिटी, दे नीड टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स and then get into the Indian cricket team. मेरा क्या था, मेरा सिलेक्शन हो नहीं सकता था. So I was like, I'm good behind. I'm happy with what I'm doing. My team is happy with what I was doing. So it was a lot of fun, and I just want to enjoy whatever last few years of cricket, I'm able to play. So वो जो बचपन में नहीं होता था 4 बजे हम लोग खेलने के लिए जाते थे, you wanted to enjoy the game. But when you play professional sport, it becomes difficult to enjoy the game just like a game. So that's what I want to do, but as I said, it's not easy. वो emotion आ ही जाते हैं, वो थोड़ा commitment आ ही जाता है, but I want to enjoy the game, for the next few years.
वो enjoy करने के चक्कर में जो हार्दिक भाई को 3 छक्के पड़े,
3 छक्के मार दिए आपने. उनका सीजन वैसे भी ऐसे ही थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे जा रहा था और आपने ऐसे भींच के छक्के मारे.
It's part and parcel. कभी आप आउट होते हो, कभी आप रन बनाते हो, जो भी टीम को चाहिए उस समय, whatever the situation demands, आप कोशिश करते हो. अब कई बार बॉलर अनफॉर्चुनेट होता है, कई बार हम लोग बैट्समैन अनफॉर्चुनेट हो जाते हैं, सो इट्स पार्ट एंड पार्सल. कई बार जीतेंगे, कई बार हारेंगे, बट टिल इट्स फन, प्लेड इन द राइट स्पिरिट एंड विद द राइट competition in mind. Imagine telling someone who doesn't know about cricket, we play over 5 days. We start at 9:30, 4:30 is the scheduled end of day's play, but we play till 5 o'clock. And after 5 days, sometimes we don't get a result. So that can be very, for the game, it's not very nice.
Yeah.
So I love how there's more results in today's world. So, I'm a motorhead, so I love cars and motorcycles more than cars. So you get a glimpse into everybody's life. So whoever has a motorcycle, they love to clean it up and they'll put a video. The only thing I never understood is when you put a video of your motorcycle, why do you put a background music? I would want to hear the exhaust of a motorcycle, the revving of a motorcycle. And imagine there's an old Kishore Kumar happening and it's a motorcycle and I am like, okay, I want to see this. You switch the volume on and then you realize, there's no exhaust note. बहुत है, but सब चलने की स्थिति में नहीं है.
से बॉडी
बहुत है, like I have over 100 bikes, but not all of them are in running condition. So जब कोविड हुआ था तो I got a chance to spend a lot of time with the bikes. So जो मुझे पसंद थे, जिसके बारे में मुझे knowledge था, so they're like 25-30 of them, I got them back into running condition. And then उस समय deliveries वगैरह नहीं हो रही थी, but late. प्लीज़ FNO में मत घुसना, निकलना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. If you really want that thrill in life और जो एड्रेनलिन का रश चाहिए ना, do some other activity. Don't always go in कि यार मैं आज 5,000 का लगाता हूँ, देखता हूँ क्या होगा. It's not for you. The professionals, yes, they can handle it, but other than that, have a lot of fun with stock. Keep it. It's not going anywhere.
FNO is knuckle ball.
FNO is different level altogether. Nowadays when you log into the whatever app you are using, first thing it says 90% ऑफ FNO यूज लूज देयर मनी. मैं बोलता हूँ ये 10% बाकी कौन है? So basically those 10% are the ones who are eating the 90% of us. They are eating our money and they are making their money.
वाह.
Yeah, that's why I stopped.
आप चेजिंग माई भाई पे ही छोड़ देना.
हाँ.
क्रिकेट से कितने जल्दी हम शिफ्ट हो गए ना.
नहीं, मैं वही देख रहा हूँ, आप क्रिकेट के बारे में इतने पैशनेट, स्टॉक के बारे में एकदम आपके अंदर से गुस्सा निकला.
नहीं यार, FNO में लॉस होता है.
आप
स्टॉक की मैं बेस्ट बात बताता हूँ. आई लव सो बहुत ज़्यादा मैं न्यूज़ चैनल नहीं देखता हूँ. So it wasn't very difficult for me. So in my mind, I'd actually retired after the 2019 World Cup. Because after that, the next World Cup was too far away. If I'm not wrong, they had just delayed the T20 World Cup by a year. So next year was the T20 World Cup. So I was like, there's no rush of announcing a retirement. But in my mind and in my actions, I was done. So effectively, if you ask me, when did I retire? I retired in the 2019, World Cup semi-finals. For me, that was the end of it.
And then later was a decision that you finally took.
वो तो announcement हुआ ना, decision तो पहले हो गया था.
Got it.
It was more an announcement for everyone, that finally the closure has happened.